Let me quickly show you how you can get started with this project, the DePin Alliance. Yes, many people has been sending me messages that how are they going to get started? They don't understand it. Yes, it's normal. It's not like all this tap of everything. So I will get started from every. Let's move on. Now this is the interface of the DePin Alliance. Yes, there's one thing I want you to know. This project does not have much um people mining it, and you should understand that any project that don't have much crowd always pay better, and this project is backed by strong people. You understand? So now this is the interface. As you can see, this is the level area. This is the level area. I'm in level 8. It has different levels. You understand? So regardless on which level you are, you start somewhere. So this is my mining, this is my storage. Let's start from here. You can see this shop. This shop means items you need to buy to keep mining for you in your absence. Yes, you buy them. You need to buy them. At least it will keep mining for you in your absence, and it will even increase your storage of mining. You understand? So that is that. Then yes, just like if you are doing sex IO, you should know understand this better. This is the mission. It's just a task you need to do. You understand? These are the tasks you need to do. There is one thing I want you to understand here. You can't see all these people promoting anyhow projects, unlike other projects where you still find another project inside. No, all these they are the owner of it, not external or so. You understand? So your these are tasks you need to get them done to get points. You understand? So you can see these are the rewards. I think I missed yesterday, so I'm unable to claim. So I've claimed this. Tomorrow I'll claim 5,000. You understand? So I've missed this. So that's for the mission. See this contribute, it means your mining area. This is my storage. See it here. It's still mining. I still have it. It reminds of 19,000 that I can claim, but now I can still claim this 5,440. So if I should claim it now, you see it will be added to my balance. You see it. You see it at the top. You understand? So now this is my workspace. Workspace means the instrument that I've been mining for me. Yes, all the items that I've bought that have been mining for me in my absence. I have 2 devices already. So out of that device, I've bought some. You can see I've bought some item mining for me. Then another one here, I'm here to buy any here. You understand? So if I want to buy any, I will click on this plus. You see, this is one item. Then I'll confirm. So I've getting equipment for this. Can you see? And it's going to mine for me per hour 312.5 per hour. So it's going to mine for me. So that is my workspace area. If you see this item, it will show all items that I've already bought. You understand? As you can see, these are the items that I've already bought. So it keep mining for me in my absence, so that whenever I just come online, I will just claim it. You can see just like what I did the other time. It's going to mine for me. So now the next is the invite area. This one will show you your what's it called, your list of friends that you already invited. You understand? Then if you want to invite, you can just click on this invite or copy your link to share. So now the next to it is the league. The league is like tribe. You understand? Just like tribe, all these you on Memfi, Bloom, where we join tribe. So just like tribe, and decide to join tribe or leave tribe. You understand? So that is how you get to do it. Once you do your task, perform all your tasks to endpoint. I've not been able to perform majority of these tasks. You understand? If I should click on it now, it's going to tell me what to do. Should follow them on X, join this channel, join this chat. You see it, then I'm going to get um almost 100,000 or so points. You understand? So that is this alliance, the DePin Alliance. That's how it works. That's how it works. So I want you to urge you guys, if you have not joined, check the comment section or description below to click on the link to join us, because this project is one of the promising projects. When you see a project like this that doesn't loud, they are the one that pay most. You understand? So I'll urge you guys to join now and to keep mining it. It doesn't take time. Come a day, click and claim whatever you want to claim. As you can see, this is my level. I'm on level 8, going to level 9 already. You understand? So you see, it's keep on going, keep on going. So don't waste much time on this. Don't waste much time on it. See you guys in the next video. If you are here to subscribe, click on the subscribe button so that you don't miss my valuable videos like this.